ABT Microsessions. Colorful fashion. Vocabulary. Shirt. Dress. Pants. Skirt. Jacket. Red. Blue. Green. Yellow. Colorful. Let's read.
Clothes are an important part of our lives. They help us to express ourselves and stay comfortable. There are many different types of clothing, and they come in a wide variety of colors. One of the most common types of clothing is the shirt. Shirts can be long-sleeved or short-sleeved, and they can be made of different materials, such as cotton, wool, or silk. Dresses are another popular type of clothing, especially for women. Dresses can be formal or casual, and they come in many different styles and lengths. Pants are also a common type of clothing. They can be jeans, trousers, or shorts. Pants can be made of a variety of materials, such as denim, cotton, or wool. Skirts are another option for women, and they can be long or short. Jackets are often worn over shirts or dresses, and they can be made of different materials, such as leather, wool, or denim. Clothes can be a great way to express your personality. For example, you might choose to wear bright colors to show that you are a cheerful person. Or you might choose to wear more muted colors to show that you are more serious. No matter what your style is, there is a piece of clothing out there for you.
Now, let's answer. What are some common types of clothing? What are some different colors of clothing? How can clothes be used to express personality? Think about it. Practice your answers. Share it in the comments. See you soon. Bye.